What's up, YouTube? This is my bike check. It's gonna be the second one because my fucking phone died like a total dumbass, but it's whatever. Start off with the frame. It's a Sunday Funday, Aaron Ross. Show the stamp right there, Aaron Ross. The stem. It's a Shadow Conspiracy stem. I don't know who it's from or whatever. It's just Shadow Conspiracy, I guess. It's flipped for a higher rise. Running like 4 spacers right there, I guess. Yeah. Fork bolt. It's a Sunday Funday with Sunday Funday forks. It's a little stamp. They're really good. They're dialed, I guess. Strong. It's whatever. But front tire. It's a Fit FAF. You know, standard. Gotta love them. 2.3s, I guess. And then the front wheel. It's a Primo N4, I think N4 FL hub, female, obviously, with integrated, what is that called? Hub guards with some shitty peg. I don't know what it's called, but it's just a peg. Primo rims, spokes. I don't know what they are, so don't ask. Back wheel is a Primo mix hub, and then it's a regular Primo rim hub or spokes. I don't know. Regular bolts, I guess people want to know about that. Some other peg, I don't know. DK 775 sprocket. It's pretty good. Regular KMC chain right here. I guess it's holding up. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. They're good. I tightened them up so they don't spin fast. I hate that shit. And you got a, what's this, profile cranks. Has a stamp right here, but you can barely see it. Spray painted them. Yeah, both sides, I guess. Odyssey bottom bracket on that bitch. And then the bars. Got some Fit bars, but I don't know what the rise or width are on them, so don't ask. Some shitty ass Fit bike code grips. I hate them. Odyssey par ends. And then the seat is just like a Fit seat post. It's fat. I love it. It's slammed all the way back. And then yeah, and I guess I'll do a hub sound for you guys. So here it goes. Yeah, it's my bike. I guess comment on the video what you think. If I should change any parts, I don't know. Yeah, alright then.